Welcome to UltraZonic NV, a Belgium-based high-tech R&D manufacturing company specialized in forward-looking infection control technologies, producing innovative and unique medical devices which drastically improve patient safety. At the R&D room, all prototypes are designed from scratch. Each device has state-of-the-art design and has been fitted with the most advanced data software, so contemporary cleaning demands are met. Ever since its inception, UltraZonic's core mission has been to eliminate all contamination risks, which are so ubiquitous in today's hospitals. Given the complex nature of medical instruments, thoroughly cleaning them without compromising them in any way requires fine engineering skills and craftsmanship. The Endo, for instance, is the only device worldwide which can pre-clean flexible endoscopes semi-automatically. The powerful MED ultrasonic device, on the other hand, comes with a fully automated process per kind of instrument, rendering existent ultrasonic devices insignificant. All this results into flawlessly cleaned instruments, which on top of that benefit from a prolonged operating life. Innovation is key. Therefore, UltraZonic keeps improving its designs in order to meet today's cleaning needs. Thanks to a 360-degree technical service including remote control, fast solutions are provided at all times, ensuring the cleaning processes are not postponed. Increasing patient safety and tackling contamination woes requires persistent action, not only in hospitals. Through the Patient Safety Academies, awareness is raised and education is given. This versatile space is also the perfect environment for e-learnings, webinars, and remote device trainings. At UltraZonic, commitment means more than just a word. It is all about doing what you say. We endeavor to be modern, forward-thinking, and long-term oriented. It is the only way to keep moving forward. UltraZonic, unmistakably revolutionary.